Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another airdrop earning opportunity, and the project is called YOM or YOM. They already raised 100k funding and you have to join them super early as there's not much users joined yet. If you visit their X profile, then see they have 161k followers, and basically YOM is a decentralized cloud gaming network built on blockchain technology. You can visit their website for more details. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I've put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. So click here, connect wallet. Then click connect with Ethereum, then choose MetaMask and then click on connect and then confirm. So the wallet is connected and you are ready to go. So here first you need to connect your X account, so click connect X, then authorize app. Next you need to follow them, so click on go to account, then follow their profile and go back and click on claim and done. Next you need to connect your Discord, so click on connect Discord, then authorize. After that you need to join their server. For that click see more, then accept the invite and then click on complete, then agree to the terms and then submit to verify. Click this green tick mark and done. So back to the airdrop page and click on claim and done. Next click on the daily check-in option, so you can claim daily points. Don't miss this, come back every day to check in. So next task is you need to share a tweet mentioning them on Twitter. For that, share a tweet on your profile mentioning them. After that you need to copy the tweet link and paste it in this box, then click claim and it should be completed. In my case I have faced an error, so I'll try again later. Finally click here to get your referral link. You can copy this link and share it with friends to get a few extra points. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Goodbye.